day. This is Dr. Aaron Studwell of ExoConsulting. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was about 42 minutes of sparrow coverage. Just something that I enjoy every day outside my door. They've been coming and going. So if you liked it, like the video, subscribe as well. We just got some different things going on every day, every week around here. Sometimes just work and business development. Sometimes we're having fun like that. And just to get a little bit of insight into what I'm doing every day, and I can share it with y'all. So again, like and subscribe below if you like the video, and appreciate all your support, and have a great weekend, folks.